I think you're always kind of influenced by all the stuff around you and where you live. I know for me personally, when we were growing up, you know, we're kind of like living in this little river town in the shadow of like New York City, and I was always like, the second we get out of here, we're going there.
Being a kid, right outside the city, like there are certain shows that we can look back at and we're like, okay, that completely changed the way we wrote music or, you know, did anything. So I think it definitely had an effect.
So the song we're playing today is called After Party. We wrote it freshman year of college. When you listen to it, the words are actually kind of, not dark, but kind of like the dark underside of that whole college lifestyle experience. Being a little bit worried that you might be having too much fun sometimes and like wasting time.
You're still sleeping, and your head weighs 1,000 pounds. You're on the ground. You will never find yourself. You're wasting time. When you wake up, toss back just a couple bottles, keeps you strong, and you will never find yourself. You're wasting but sometimes I just feel like a stupid loser, wasting time. And I will never find myself, I'm wasting time.
It's the story of a queen whose castle has fallen to the sea, knowing there's no one who will be a king.